You okay, my love? Yeah. Hey gems, as you could tell, I am wearing a baby. I'm wearing a human baby. So I had a baby, and I will take you guys on the journey. I will let you guys know how it went. From now on, you will be seeing mommy, baby, pregnancy, hair, plants, lifestyle, God always God videos on my channel, because life happens and, you know, things change. So this is where we're going, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. This is quick little intro to the new channel. So yeah, it's kind of it. So I will try to upload a video every week, preferably on Sundays. Hold me to it, so that, you know, you guys could enjoy this journey with me. So I would also like to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how they feel, and I'll see you next time.